Next question of the exercise says that find the length of the edges of a cube with a volume of 1000 centimeter cube, 19683 centimeter cube, 68921 millimeter cube, 64,000 centimeter cube. So remember that volume of a cube is given by volume is equal to edge cube. So this is the volume of the edge of the cube, and we are asked to find the length of the cube. So how do we do that? To find the edge, we simply take the cube root of the volume. So the volume is given to us already in here. These are the different volumes of the different cubes with different edges, with different values of their edges. So to find the edge, we simply take the cube root of the volume, as you can see in here. The cube root of 1000 centimeter cube, if we take the cube of it, we can write 1000 centimeter cube as 10 centimeter whole cube. We have taken the cube root in here, and we have written 1000 centimeter cube as 10 centimeter whole cube. So this cube gets cancelled with the cube root, and we get 10 centimeter. So the cube with the edges of 1000 centimeter cube has the length of 10 centimeter. Next we have 19,683 centimeter cube. So again we take the cube, it would be equal to cube root 19,683 centimeter cube. We know that 27 multiplied by 27 multiplied by 27 is equal to 19,683, or this 19,683 can be written as 27 centimeter whole cube, so under the root. So again the cube gets cancelled with the cube root, and we get 27 centimeter as the length of the cube, which has the volume of 19,683 centimeter cube. Next we have 68,921 millimeter cube. So we take the cube in here. As you can see, we have taken the cube root. Sorry, we do not take the cube, we take the cube root first. After taking the cube root, we can write this term 68,921 millimeter cube as the cube of 41 millimeter. So 41 millimeter whole cube, and then it is under the cube root. The cube and the cube root gets cancelled because these are the inverse operations. So we are left with 41 millimeter. So the length of the cube, which had the volume of 68,921, it has the length of 41 millimeter. The last part is 64,000 centimeter cube. So again we take the cube root, and then after taking the cube root, we look for the term 64,000 centimeter cube. We can write it as 40 centimeter whole cube. So the cube and the cube root cancel each other, and we get as a result 40 centimeter, which is the length of the cube with a volume of 64,000 centimeter cube. So what is the takeaway from this? Whenever we are given a volume of a cube and asked to find the edge length, we simply take the cube root of the volume, the cube root and then the cube are inverse operations, so they cancel each other, leaving us with the edge length only. So that's all for this question. I hope it's all clear. Happy learning.